Moving to Arizona reminds me that networking never gets easier, you just get better. Since moving to Arizona, I've had to polish up my networking skills. I don't know anyone here. I am starting completely over, networking with all new people, which is intimidating and something I haven't done since the Stone Age. Here are 3 tips that I have personally leaned on to get me through. First, mindset. Have the mindset of giving. When you do this, you become curious about them instead of curious about how they will help you. Second, networking is an adventure. Nothing goes exactly the way that you want it to. You will meet some fantastic people and some assholes. Lean into this as opposed to being afraid of it. You will show up more authentic. Third, capture the information about others. Don't rely on your brain to remember it all. Put it into a CRM, spreadsheet, journal, basically anything that captures their information. This will allow you to go back and continue to build on the relationship if they are your people. So remember, it's not a marathon. It is a marathon, not a sprint. You are building relationships, not transactions. There's a big difference. Do these 3 tips and watch your network grow with wonderful professionals. Keep learning, keep pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone, and know that you are not alone.